Companies that implement high performance work practices tend to make more money and have happier employees than companies that do not have high performance work practices. It just so happens that a strategic training and development system is considered a high performance work practice. In the United States, companies that invest in learning tend to enjoy greater profitability, greater customer and employee satisfaction, the ability to attract and retain the most talented employees, the ability to attract and retain the most talented employees, the ones who have the knowledge, skills, abilities, and other characteristics that are required of their jobs. We call these KSAOs. And these companies are equipped for future demands. They have the necessary resources to make sure that they can train employees today and tomorrow.